let's dive deep inside our private communities. So I show you exactly what and how our students are making these beautiful artworks. And keep in mind, they are not any professional artists, they are just beginners like you. They learned it, they implemented it and made these amazing masterpieces by themselves with the help of Art by Pravin. Alright? And in just 4 months, they changed themselves completely without any primary art skill and expensive art tools. Now, look at this. From where they started and now where they reach. So, if you also want to meet this level, then you are just one workshop away. So, join us live for the 2 days Matita Mastery Workshop. On the first day, you will get some practical stuff about object drawing, shading and different shades. And on the second day, we'll show you the most affordable roadmap in the world to become a hyper-realistic artist in just 4 months. Also, you will get rupees 5,000 worth of bonuses completely free inside this workshop. So, hurry up, register for the workshop, join the Telegram group and be a hyper-realistic artist as fast as you can. Hey, there are limited seats, so hurry up.